Hi students, welcome to next session. Now in yesterday's session we finished up to 56 questions. Now I will continue next one, 57. A be a square matrix of order 2 and det A is not equal to 0 such that det of A plus det A into adjoint A equal to 0, where adjoint A is a adjoint of matrix A, then the value of det of A minus det A into adjoint A we need to find out. Now here A matrix is there given 2 by 2 matrix. Det of the matrix clearly is not equal to 0. They are given this condition. From this we need to find det of A minus det A into adjoint A we need to find out. Now I am taking a matrix here like this, A, B, C, D. Now I will find out det A. What det A will get? AD minus BC. This det A will take one symbol, that is a small d. Now d equal to det A, that is AD minus BC. Clearly. Now for this adjoint A, what you will get? Because there is a condition is given already. Adjoint A for 2 by 2 matrix is what? D A minus B minus C. Take the given condition. What is the given condition? A plus det A means D into adjoint A. Det of A. What is A matrix? A, B, C, D. D into adjoint A. For adjoint A, multiply with D. Now already D symbol is there now, that's why you will take some different one. I will take some K for easy purpose, because already D is there as a symbol. K into adjoint A, what will you get? DK minus BK minus CK AK. Add these two matrices and you will get a determinant of this. Finally, what you will get? A plus DK. Next, B minus BK, C minus CK, D plus AK. If you expand this, what you will get again? 2 by determinant we got again finally. A plus DK into D plus AK minus B minus BK into C minus CK. K means det of A matrix. Now multiply this AD, A into AK, A square K. Next DK into D plus D square K. Next DK into AK, that is AD K square minus of, multiply in this two, B into C, BC, B into minus CK, minus BCK, minus BK into C, minus BCK, minus into minus plus BC K square. Now in this AD plus A square K plus D square K plus AD K square, multiply with minus BC minus BCK minus BCK minus 2 BCK minus of minus plus 2 BCK minus into plus minus BCK square. Now the condition wise, AD minus BC. Next, AD K square and minus BC K square. AD minus BC, I will take one term. And next, in these two terms, K square take common. AD minus BC. Next, remaining which terms is there? Multiples of K. So K multiples, take K common. What will get? A square plus D square plus 2BC. That is a value exist in this. Now AD minus BC means what here? Clearly K. K k square into, again this is a k, now plus k into a square plus d square. To get this one into perfect squares, we need 2ad. That's why I am adding 2ad and subtracting 2ad plus 2bc, all inside bracket only. K plus k cube plus k into, this is clearly what? A plus d whole square. A plus d whole square. Now in this I will take minus 2 common, because if you take minus 2 common you will get AD minus BC. So minus 2 common means you will get AD minus BC. K plus k cube plus k into, I will let this is A plus d whole square minus 2k, this k multiplied. Again AD minus BC means what here? K into k. Now here k plus k cube, this minus 2k square take here, plus k into a plus d whole square. Here clearly this complete value is given how much? They given 0. So value completely given 0, that's why other side there is a 0 value. Now in this, which is a common term is there? K is a common. I will take k common. If you take k common, what you will get remaining? 1 plus k square minus 2k plus a plus d whole square is equal to 0. K is clearly which one? Det A. Det A is clearly, when the product of two terms is 0 means either first value 0 or second value 0, but first value clearly not equal to 0. K means what here? Det A. Det A is clearly given not equal to 0, that's why k is clearly not equal to 0. Next in this is like a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. We can write this is like k minus 1 whole square plus a plus d whole square equal to 0. Both are perfect squares only. When this will become 0, compulsory k not equal to 0 means k means det A value. Now compulsory we need to consider this is 0. This is 0 only. When this is 0 means k how much will get? 1 will get. That's why clearly k minus 1 will take 0. From this k value 1. K means det A value. After taking k is 1, how much will get? Which is 0 becomes a plus d value becomes 0. Now k value we got. K means a det A value. K nothing but det A. Clearly. Now what they are asking? Det of A minus det A into adjoint A. For this also same method we need to follow. If you simplify this, you will get the notation, the value wise. So how much we got here? 1. Now here we will get a plus d minus a plus d whole square plus 4k. If you simplify this, you will get this notation, a plus d whole square plus 4k. Now a plus d value how much? 0. 4k, k means what here? Det A value how much here? 1. That's why 4 into 1, that is how much? 4. Which option is correct? Option D is the correct one. Now I am not finding again this value, reason same method follow, we will get the same notation. So option D is the correct one. Plan cheni enroll chestaru. So next question number 58. It's the next model, all are mixed concepts. They given A matrix 1 2 minus 1 3. They given next a power 6 equal to ka minus 205i. We need to find k value in this case. Now first if we find out a square, what will get a square? 1 2 minus 1 3 into 1 2 minus 1 3. Now multiply these matrices. 1 into 1 1, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 1 into 2 2, 2 into 3 6, 2 plus 6 8, minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. Next minus 2 plus 9 will get, it is clearly 7. Now to simplify this, next one more, a square we got, we need to find a power 6 also directly. Otherwise you can simplify this equation into in the form of a and I. How to take? Condition wise, if you take a matrix, we will take 4 into a. 4a means what you will get? Check once. 4, 8, minus 4, 12 will get. To get this same thing, if you have to subtract with the identity matrix, 4a I taken, this much I got, 4, 8, minus 4, 12. Here we need minus 1 means clearly we have to take 3. If you take 3 means what here? 1, 0, 0, 1 is a identity matrix. General method is little bit lengthy, will come, that's why I am doing in this method. 3 into 1, 3 will get here, 3, here also 3. If you take 3 means how much will get here? Because here how much is there? If you take 5, 5 in time means what will get here? 5, 0, 0, 5. Now subtract 4 minus 5 will get minus 1, 8 minus 0, 8, minus 4 minus 0, minus 4, 7 here, 12 is there, 12 minus 5, clearly 7. That's why I am converting this a square in the form of 4a minus 5i. Now from here we can do easily, condition wise. Next I will take here one more square, a power 4. Directly a power, you can take a power 4 means what? A square into a square I can take. Now what? 4a minus 5i into 4a minus 5i. Now multiply this two. What you will get? 4a, like directly you can take whole square also, no issue in this. Because ai and ia both are same. 16a square plus 25i square minus 2ab, 20 into 2, 40 a into I. Here ia and ai both are same because we will get a only finally, that's why I am taking directly. 16 into, what is a square again in terms of a? 4a minus 5i plus 25i minus 40 a into I will get a matrix. Now here 64a minus 16 5s are 80i plus 25i minus 40a. Finally we need to get equation in the form of a power 6. Now here a power 4 equal to 64a minus 40a. How much will get? Clearly 24a minus 80i plus 25i. How much if you subtract? Minus 55i you will get. Minus 80i plus 25i. Next we need clearly a power 6 means a power 6 we can write a power 4 into a square. A power 4 how much is there? 24a minus 55i into a square already we converted what? 4a minus 5i. 24 into 4. How much you will get? Clearly it's a 96a square. 24a into minus 5i. 24 5s are, how much you will get? Clearly 120, yeah? Yes, 5 4s are 20, just 120i. Next minus 55 into 4 minus, now 24 into 1 minute, 24 into 4 is 96a square, okay? 24 into minus 5 is minus 120 a into I. ai. Next minus 55 into 4 minus 54 is 200 plus 20, that is minus 220 ia. So minus of minus plus 55 5s are 5 5s are 25, again 25 plus 2 is 27i square. Now from this 96 into, again a square we need to substitute. What is a square? 4a minus 5i minus 120a. This is minus 220a only because I into a or a into I gives a only. Next 275i Next 96 fours are 6 fours are 24, 9 fours are 36. 36 plus 2, 38a minus 5 6 are 30, 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 3 is 48i. This is how much you'll get? 340a plus 275i. Now subtract these two, how much you'll get? 384a minus 340a. How much you'll get? 44a. Next minus 450, 480 ma. 480 and 275 remove, how much you'll get? 205 will get clearly. That's why it is minus 205i. If you compare this one with the original equation, here you got left side a power 6. This one compare with already what is given, a power 6 equal to ka minus 205 into I. Now that's why k value how much is there clearly in the place of k, 44. General method length, that's why we need to convert here a square in the form of a and identity matrix. Now which option is correct? Option D. Option D is the correct one. So next, question number 59. A and B are two square matrices. A square B equal to BA, and they given AB whole power 10 equal to A power k into B power 10. Then we need to find k value. Now first I will find out AB whole square. AB whole square means what? You can write AB into AB, because up to power 10 if we do, you will get in the form of A power k. That k value we need to find out. Now I am changing the bracket here, because A into BA into B. Now here A, BA value how much is given already? A square B into B. Now this is clearly A cube into B square. Now here what is there? AB whole square is there. Now I will convert, see all of you. This A cube we can write 2 power 2 square minus 1. Possible? See once. 2 square 4 minus 1 into B square. That means it is clearly in the form of A power 2 power n into B power n. N what you will take power, that only will get. Same notation. Now like that, here AB whole power 10 means n value how much will take? 10 only. Clearly 2 power n minus 1. That's why A power 2 power 10 minus 1 into B power 10. This clearly the formula for which one as per this condition? AB whole power n formula. A power 2 power n minus 1 into B power n condition. Now as for this, here what you will get? 2 power 10 means 1024 minus 1 is 1023 into B power 10. Now compare with that equation, what is the k value? K is clearly, don't do up to power 10, time waste. Simple, you got formula wise. So k value clearly how much? 1023. That is option B is the correct option. Next, question number 60. ABC are three matrices of same order such that any two are symmetric and third one is a skew symmetric. If X is given already, X matrix is given ABC plus CBA, Y is given ABC minus CBA. Then we need to find XY whole transpose. In ABC, any two are symmetric, one is skew symmetric. I'll consider let AB are symmetric and C is skew symmetric. I am considering like this, skew symmetric. As for that, what you will get? A transpose equal to A, B transpose equal to B. Next, C transpose you will get minus C. Now from this they are asking x into y whole transpose. X into y whole transpose, I will write y transpose into x transpose, AB whole transpose formula. What is y? ABC minus CBA whole power t. T means transpose. X means ABC plus CBA whole transpose. Already we know A plus B whole transpose, A transpose plus B transpose. This is in the form of A minus B whole transpose, means A transpose minus B transpose. From this what you will get? ABC whole transpose minus CBA whole transpose into ABC whole transpose plus CBA whole transpose. Now ABC whole transpose means what you will get? C transpose into B transpose into A transpose minus A transpose into B transpose into C transpose into here C transpose into B transpose into A transpose plus A transpose into B transpose into C transpose. C transpose is minus C, B transpose is B only, A transpose is A. That's why this is minus CBA. Here also becomes minus only now, minus of minus plus A, B, C. Next here minus C, B, A. Here also what will get? Minus A, B, C. Now actually y is as is there, A, B, C minus C, B, A. Here I will take minus common from this. If you take minus common from the second term, here first value what is there? A, B, C minus C, B, A. Here minus common means what remaining? C, B, A plus A, B, C. Now minus A, B, C minus C, B, A means what? Y. C, B, A plus A, B, C or A, B, C plus C, B, A. That is what? X. That's why X, Y whole transpose we got minus YX. Minus YX which option? Option D. Option D is the correct option. Next, question number 61. If A and P different matrices of order n satisfying A cube equal to P cube, next A square P equal to P square A, and where det of A minus P clearly not equal to 0, they are asking det of A square plus P square. To find that, I am considering this kind of product, that is A square P square into A minus P product. You will check what you will get. Multiply A square into A cube, A square into minus P, that is minus A square P, P square into A, that is P square A, P square into minus P, minus P cube. A cube and P cube both are same only na, that's why both gets cancelled. A square P and P square A also equal, but opposite side na cancel. Now what you got here? A square P square into A minus P clearly equal to, we got 0 matrix. When the product of matrices is 0, its determinants also will get same only. I am applying det of this. Det of A square plus P square into A minus P is equal, det of 0 matrix is 0 only. Det of A into B we can write det A into det B. Det of A square P square into det of A minus P equal to 0. When product of two terms is 0 means either first value 0 or second value 0, but second value clearly they given not equal to 0. So here det of A minus P clearly not equal to 0 means to satisfy this condition first value compulsory we need to take 0. That is det of A square plus P square is 0. They are asking this value only. Which option is correct? Option B is the correct one. Next, question number 62. The number of 2 by 2 matrices A that are there with elements as real numbers satisfying A plus A transpose equal to I, A into A transpose equal to I. They given these two equations, we need to find the number of possible 2 by 2 matrices. Now I will take A is some A, B, C, D, unknown value. First condition, what is there? A plus A transpose equal to I. A matrix, A, B, C, D. A transpose means A, C, B, D. Transpose apply for that. Equal to identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. Adding these two matrices, A plus A, 2A, plus B plus C. This also B plus C, 2D. Equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. From this what? 2A equal to 1, A equal to 1 by 2. Next 2D equal to 1, D also equal to 1 by 2. And A value, D value we got clearly. Next we will get B plus C is equal to 1. One equation we will get. Here also B plus C equal to 0. One more condition. B plus C equal to 1. Next. Sorry. B plus 0 only. Both cases 0. Sorry. Not 1. B plus C 0 for both conditions. Only one equation we got. This one take it as equation number 1. Next we need B value and C value. They given one more condition. What is the condition? A into A transpose equal to identity matrix. Now from this, what you can take, this A take right side, it will become A inverse. Again A inverse finding is time waste, not required. Now do with the product only. What? A, B, C, D into A, C, B, D equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. From this product find out. First with first column. What will get here? A square plus B square. First row with second column. AC plus BD. Second row with first column. Same AC plus BD. And last one. C square plus D square. Here 1, 0, 0, 1. I am not comparing all. Only these two I will compare. Reason? We know already A value and D value. So here A square plus B square equal to 1. Similarly C square plus D square also 1. A value how much is there? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. Plus B square equal to 1. B square equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. How much you will get? 3 by 4. From this B you can take either plus or minus root 3 by 2. Both are real numbers only. C square plus D square means 1 by 4 equal to 1. Same C square equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. C is plus or minus root 3 by 2. Here B and C we got two values for each. A and D are fixed. Now here to satisfy this condition, if you take B is plus, C compulsory minus only have to take. Reason? Condition what is there here? B plus C is equal to 0. Don't take plus plus only. If you take B plus, C minus. If B minus, C is plus. That's why only two matrices. One matrix is A 1 by 2. B if you take root 3 by 2. C compulsory minus root 3 by 2. D is 1 by 2. Or one more matrix. A 1 by 2. B now I will take minus root 3 by 2. Here negative means B. C is positive. Root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. The number of matrices are how many? Only 2. So number of matrices 2, that is option C is the correct one. Next question number 63. If the orthogonal square matrices A and B of same size satisfy det A plus det B equal to 0 matrix, then the value of det of A plus B we need to find out. The value of det of A plus B. Now the clearly given A and B are orthogonal. Now orthogonal means what condition? A into A transpose or A transpose into A equal to. Similarly B into B transpose or B transpose into B is also equal to I. Both A and B orthogonal square matrices, same size is given. Then we need to find value of det of A plus B, we need to find out. Now when this condition wise, when orthogonal matrices det A value clearly 1 will get, the value wise det if you find out, because det of A and det of A transpose both are same, so you will find out det of A into A transpose, det of I, clearly directly I am taking because det A will get 1, det B also 1. Reason, if you apply for this condition determinant concept, det B 1 will get, det A also 1. Now coming to the condition that A plus det B is equal to 0 is given. Now in that case, to satisfy that one, det A you can take either plus or minus 1 also sometimes, because det A whole square will get, if you take det A is 1, det B I will take minus 1. Doubt is there means you can check like this, det of A into A transpose equal det of identity matrix. Here det of A into det of A transpose also equal to det A, that is equal to det of identity matrix is 1. This is clearly det of whole square equal to 1. Det A is, you can take either plus or minus 1. Now to satisfy this condition, similarly det B also will get plus or minus 1. See once. Det B also will get plus or minus 1. But to satisfy this condition, what is the condition? Det A plus det B is given 0, sum of the determinants. That's why let, if you take det A is 1, det B take it as minus 1. Okay? Because to satisfy this condition, we are not taking same value, different value are taking. Now they are asking which one, det of A plus B they are asking. Directly we can't find a value. In this, I will take the notation, consider A transpose into A plus B into B transpose. What this product will give, check once. A transpose into A is called I. A transpose into B, one thing. If you product find out, what you will check once? A transpose into A plus A transpose into B into B transpose. If you verify this, what you will get here? A transpose into A is I clearly. Remaining what is there? A transpose into B transpose. Now multiply B transpose inside, what you will get? I into B transpose is B transpose. A transpose into B transpose is again what? I. Let's say here what you will get here? B transpose plus A transpose. Now here B transpose plus A transpose we got condition wise. Now B transpose plus A transpose, any value we know already. Separately we don't know the value. Det of B transpose. So 1 minute. You see once, if B transpose plus A transpose, we can write A plus B whole transpose. That's why I am taking this concept. If you apply determinant for this, already we know det A and det B. Det A, det B, you got this much, mean that det of A transpose and det of B transpose also same you will get. Now from this, A transpose into A plus B into B transpose, right side value we can write A plus B whole transpose. Now we apply determinant on both sides. Det of A transpose into A plus B into B transpose equal to det of A plus B whole transpose. You can split this one. Here det of A transpose, det of A plus B, this value only we need to find out. Det of B transpose, det of A plus B transpose also equal to det of A plus B only. Clearly, value wise. Det of A transpose, how much is there? Det of A also same. Here det of A plus B. Det of B transpose and det of B both are same. Equal to det of A plus B. Don't cancel this two. Okay. It's equation. Det A is 1. I considered already. Det B is how much? Minus 1. So this total product becomes what? Minus of det of A plus B. This is 1 and this is minus 1. Equal to det of A plus B. Now if you take this value right side, total what you will get? 2 into det of A plus B equal to 0. From this, we can find out det of A plus B is equal to 0 by 2 dividing that side. Now they given is a symbol like this. Det is a symbol, it is a notation you can write like this. Det of A plus B value how much? 0. Now 0 means which option is correct? Option C. Next, question number 64. A is a matrix of 3 rows and 2 columns. B is a matrix of 2 rows and 3 columns. That means A is 3 by 2 matrix, B is a 2 by 3 matrix. If AB equal to C given, next BA equal to D. Then they given options like this. Determinant of C and D are always equal. Determinant of C is 0. Determinant of D is 0, and none of these they ask. Now I will take 2 examples for A and B to satisfy this condition. I will take A matrix. A matrix, what is the order is given? 3 by 2, 3 rows and 2 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, some 5, 0. It's clearly 3 by 2 matrix. Next, B matrix I will take. It is a clearly 2 by 3 matrix given. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 1 or 3, 4, 1, no problem. It is clearly 2 by 3 matrix. To get C matrix, I will multiply A and B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 1. Product clearly possible. Now here number of columns and number of rows is equal. Now multiply. First row with first column. 1 into 1, 1 plus 6, that is 7. 1 into 2, 2 plus 8, 10. Now 1 into 3, 3 plus 2 ones are 2, it is 5. 3 ones are 3, 4 3s are 12. How much will you get? 15. Next, 3 2s are 6 plus 4 4s are 16. Now 6 plus 16 is 22. Next, 3 3s are 9 plus 4, that is 13. Next, 5 ones are 5 plus 0 means 0 only. 5 2s are 10 plus 0, that is 10. 5 3s are 15 plus 0, that is 15. Now this is a C matrix we got. If you find out determinant for this, that value will get clearly 0. Simplify this value. How to simplify this? 7 into 22 into 15. 22 into 15 means 15 2s are 300, sorry, 20s are plus 30. 330 minus 130. Next, minus 10 into 15 15s are 225 minus 13 5s are 65. I am expanding along row 1 only. Plus 5 into, because if you take example only, you can get easily, because they given just order of A and B only. That's why I am finding like example. Next, 5 into 15 10s are 150 minus 22 5s are is 110. If you simplify this, 7 into 200 minus 10 into, if you remove 65, how much you will get? 160. Next, plus 5 into, it's clearly 40. Now simplify this. It's clearly 1400 minus, how much will you get? 1600. Here how much will you get? 200. I am telling you can take any example, not only these numbers. This condition will satisfy. Any numbers you can take, small number or big numbers also. Now clearly det C value, how much we got? 0. That's why which option is correct? Determinant of C is 0. That's why option B is the correct one. Next, question number 65. Question number 65. A and B are symmetric matrices. Symmetric means A transpose equal to A, B transpose equal to B, such that AB equal to BA, AB equal to BA, and A inverse into B inverse exists, then the matrix A inverse into B inverse is, they are asking which matrix, symmetric, skew symmetric, null or none of these. Now for this I will apply transpose. Now before applying transpose, we need inverse of the matrix now, that's why apply inverse on both sides. AB whole inverse equal to BA whole inverse. Already we know formula for AB whole inverse. What is the formula? B inverse into A inverse. Second matrix, that's why B inverse into A inverse equal to here A inverse into B inverse. Now later we'll use this condition. Now what they're asking? They're asking about A inverse into B inverse is which matrix? Whole transpose take. Now we know A into B whole transpose formula what? B inverse whole transpose into A inverse whole transpose. Here the condition. We can interchange these two. So I will write this one B transpose whole inverse also. Both are same only. Next, A transpose whole inverse. B transpose value already we know B. A transpose is what? A. That's why this will get B inverse into A inverse. Now, A inverse into B inverse whole transpose. Left side is there, that is equal to B inverse into A inverse also equal to which one? A inverse into B inverse. This is clearly in the form of A transpose equal to A. Because same only we got A inverse into B inverse. That's why this is the condition for which one? Symmetric matrix. That's why clearly we can write A inverse into B inverse is symmetric matrix. That's why which option is correct? Option A is the correct one. Next I'll start 67 ma. 66 you can do. 67. Consider a matrix A of order 2 by 2. I am taking a matrix A 2 by 2 matrix like this. A, B, C, D. And they given next A square is a 0 matrix. They are asking value of A square minus A plus D into A plus AD minus BC into I. That value we need to find out. Okay, first A square equal to 0 is given. Now A square equal to 0 means they are asking remaining value, which one you have to find out clearly? A square minus A plus D into A plus AD minus BC into I. If you directly substitute this one, you won't get the required value exactly, because it is equation. If you take directly A into A square, you will get AD will get condition wise the value. That's why we need to find A square matrix also. Okay. Now A square how to find? Later I can take this value. This value we need to find out. A square means what? A into A. This A square equal to 0 is useful for next question 68. Multiply what you will get? A into A square plus BC. AB plus BD. Second row with first column. CA plus CD. CB plus CD. Sorry, CB. D into D is D square. Second row with second column. C into B, CB plus D square. Now this is A square value we got, this much. Now take that equation from this one directly I am taking. Again I am not writing equation. First A square is there. What is A square? A square plus BC, AB plus BD, CA plus CD, CB plus D square. CB or BC, no problem. Minus A plus D into A matrix. What is A matrix? A, B, C, D plus AD minus BC into identity matrix. Later we will multiply that. Now your first one, what is there? A square. If you multiply this condition, what you will get here? In case later. A square plus BC, AB plus BD, CA plus CD, BC plus D square. If you multiply A plus D here, what you will get? A square plus AD, AB plus BD, next CA plus CD, AD plus D square, AD plus D square. Now identity matrix means already we know 1 0 0 1. For 1 0 0 1 multiply the element what here? AD minus BC means what will get here? AD minus BC 0 0 AD minus BC. Now first add these two or subtract these two, what will get? Subtract means A square cancel, BC minus AD. Next AB cancel, BD also cancel, 0. CA minus CA, CD cancel, total 0. BC minus AD, D square gets cancelled. BC minus AD. Plus what is there here? AD minus BC, 0, 0. AD minus BC. Again add these two matrices. What will get? BC minus BC, A minus AD plus AD. 0, 0, 0, 0. Now we got which matrix? 0 matrix. Now coming to question number, now clearly 67, which option is correct? Option B is the correct one. 68 related to 67 only. Consider a matrix A of order 2 by 2 such that A square equal to 0. Then they are asking trace of A. Trace of A they are asking. Okay, now same if you take this same matrix only, A, B, C, D, what is A square we got? Already we know. A if you take A, B, C, D, A square equal to 0 given. What is A square already we got in this question? What? A square plus BC, AB plus BD, CA plus CD, CB plus D square. Which matrix? 0, 0, 0, 0. Now they are asking trace of a matrix. Trace of a matrix means if you compare these notations, what is A plus D? Trace of A means this one. Don't find trace of means here. This is A square. Why I am using this? From this, what is the trace of A? You will get A plus D. Now here every element is 0. That means this element also equal to what here? 0. Now from this, AB plus BD equal to 0 means B common. A plus D equal to 0. From this A plus D value, how much we got? 0. A plus D means what? Trace of A. Trace of A means what? Sum of the diagonal elements in a square matrix. That's why trace of A is nothing but A plus D. That is clearly how much? 0. That is option B is the correct one. This is for question number 68 mark. Up to this 67, from here 68. Option B. Apera. Okay students, we finished matrices competitive. All exercise questions. Now you need to complete your previous year questions is there. That all questions you need to solve each and question and answer. If you have any doubts, you refer once the solutions, or otherwise you can call us, we will clarify the doubts. Now if you have any doubts, just you call to my number 8722 956649. If you have any doubts, and ask and clarify. Thank you.